Hey, what is up people? Vicky from the Elementon back with another video, and it's not even a month we saw Ola getting caught red-handed for illegally testing their two-wheeler taxis, bikes if you're wondering, and that's a different issue that got solved now, and more importantly that's not the topic for today. Today's video is about Ola making money, or in simple terms, let me explain Ola's business model. Ola Cabs is one of those companies that had attract the crowd first, make money later philosophy. I remember the ads that said 6 rupees per kilometer and first ride is free concept and so on. So what did Ola do here? They spent huge sack of money in developing relationships with customer as well as drivers. The competitor of Ola, whom I don't want to name, but then it starts with a U, ends with an R, with a B in between, and that company had a pretty strong financial foundation and a pretty strong brand reputation. So Ola had to focus on building a strong foundation rather than trying to make profit. But that was 2011. Now Ola is a huge taxi aggregator service with headquarters in Bangalore, and this is how Ola makes money. There are various sources that influx money into Ola's treasure chest. Commission per ride, where Ola gets a fixed percentage of money from the driver for every ride. Ola Wallet, which earns profit in the same way Paytm or Google Pay does. Waiting time charges, where you would pay for the time the cab waits for you. Advertisements, where Ola distributes pamphlets and digital ads on their cabs. Initial deposit charges, where the drivers had to pay a fixed amount to use Ola service in their vehicles. Fleet renting, where the Ola buys and rents car for the driver to use under fixed commission. Surge pricing, where the company charges more during peak traffic hours. These are few of the ways in which Ola brilliantly discovered how to make money without hurting the customer's wallet. I'm pretty sure Ola would come up with few more strategies in the near future. Let's now look at an example to break down the cost of an Ola ride. Let's say our friend Thanos wants to go from Titan to Wakanda, and let's assume he doesn't have a space stone. So the next cheapest option would be to book an Ola. So he takes out his Pixel 3. Why Pixel 3? Because it has a Snapdragon processor. He opens the app and books the cab for outstation. 5 minutes later, Ola stops by him and he gets into the car. And now let's assume the distance from Titan to Wakanda is 100 kilometers. It's not, but then let's assume because I'm afraid of big numbers. Now let's say the traffic is medium on the way and it takes 3 hours to reach Wakanda. So here is the aggregated cost. 100 fixed rupees plus 13 rupees for the remaining 96 kilometers plus 1 rupee per minute for 180 minutes. So the total would be 1528, and there is 14% service tax involved, so the total amount would be 1741. No, I'm not feeling good about this. Let's round it off to 1740. Perfect. Thanos would now pay 1740 to the cabbie and walks away to destroy half of the universe, and Ola takes 20% cut from that, and that would be 350 rupees. So the remaining 1390 is for the driver, and if the driver could clock 10 successful rides, his incentive would be 500 per day, and for 12 successful rides it would be 750 per day. And this is definitely not a fixed sum of profit, as there can be a lot of expenditure like driver incentives, government taxes, maintenance, and so on. That's basically the breakdown cost for the driver and the company. Ola is one of the most successful Indian startups and is for sure an inspiration to a lot of young entrepreneurs who are looking to tap into a demanding market and build a business. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to drop a like if you feel what I do is something worthy. Subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos hereafter. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.